She put Gotti on my hand. Coochie Gotti. Gotti Coochie.
Okay, y'all, so I'm just showing y'all a little corset training. So I'm just wearing this because we're going on color run. I've been wearing this for a minute, y'all. This shaper is from, I'll leave it in the description bar below, but I've been wearing it. I'm about to go do my makeup, and then while my camera is charging, I'll be right back. Live, y'all.
Brianna, them gym shoes
My
in there.
downs. Focus. I'm on live, y'all. So I just did my makeup. I went quick, didn't I? Earrings, baby. Okay, I'm about to get some. So they telling me to put some earrings.
Put on some damn earrings.
So y'all,
Put your goddamn earrings on.
I finished quick.
Y'all got some Kleenex, cause we're gonna get the sweat. You know what told me to let you know that?
Say yay, we made it to the vlog.
They saw it earlier.
Okay, y'all, so I'm putting on these earrings I had on yesterday.
I don't know.
Is that them? I swear. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever.
Yeah, he said.
Don't shut it, and I need you. Kiki, are you so we just waiting on our, well, I'm just waiting on my uncle. Well, we just waiting. Okay. Girl, photographer, she about to take my picture, y'all. So I'm gonna be right back. Y'all gonna see the pictures. I'm gonna post them in the vlog. Y'all ready? Cause we about to take off. Hey, she finally came.
Oh, get your bag.
What'd you say? Oh! No, you not. Got me on camera?
You gotta get in line.
Who birthday? The stick. One of them sticks. I'm seeing if they got one down there. I'm about to put my headband on. Y'all want to, okay, I'm about to show y'all my headband. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all real quick.
Put it on the whole run and stuff. Oh, you know they be wanting her whole life story.
Oh, okay.
Wait, okay, come on, let's see.
Light it up. Oh, mama got her fanny pack.
We off. Woo, look at that highlight in that sun.
Yeah, I can put it in the trunk.
Y'all see that?
Oh yes, Kiki.
Are you riding?
Fanny pack. Hey y'all.
Oh y'all, this is Beyonce. This is Beyonce.
She's here. She here a month early.
Hello.
I am.
Nothing about the race in this 5K race downtown. I mean up north.
Yeah, we use our car.
Race. Uh-huh.
You just gotta put the print on the windshield.
Son, look at my son, y'all. Are you riding? Says you never ever leave from beside me. Down for you always, kicking.
Hey. 3-1-2.
There's good stuff in my fanny pack. I'm telling y'all.
By the time you finish this race, ain't gonna be one rhinestone left.
Down them in the closet somewhere. Don't worry about me. I'm walking real slow.
You gonna go see 3?
Yeah, I get 3. I get 3.
Okay.
Hold that.
Let me hold yours.
What? Just get. Let's just buy here.
No.
Oh, you paid for? He already paid for. Oh.
So when the race starts,
Grandkids. They
I'ma
don't
see y'all.
Hello. Hey, how you guys doing?
Kiki, do you love me?
She on that tape.
I know.
Right.
Oh, y'all look like y'all ready to run or something.
No. What's my ticket number? We about to start this race. Y'all ready? I'm ready. I'm gonna see it.
Great. Oh, Lord.
We like nuts.
Don't look for no running out of me.
I ain't running either.
I'm a power walk.
You ain't gonna be alone.
I can't even do that.
I'm running.
Emma say she's not
taking
even
off.
doing that.
Even do that.
Look, they running. Hey, hold on. No.
Three. Oh, so we gonna do this. Oh, Lord.
Let me practice.
That's how you gonna be? Wait, like when the line start? Oh, I think it start right here. This will start right here. Alright, y'all. This the line. I think this is the line. I'm not for sure.
Halfway mark.
But now people gonna be running past you. You see it once.
Just ready. That's all. You ready, girl? Hey, y'all. 5K.
You're so nice.
3.1 miles, mama. You gonna be all right.
3 miles are no problem.
Oh, we about to start.
Serious with it. Serious. Yeah. Yes.
Look, he got his light on. We about to run, y'all. It's that serious.
It's
that serious.
It is real. I might make it. I might not.
Y'all think he gonna make it?
I made it before, but I don't know about this. I didn't stretch properly.
I might not run, y'all. I ain't stretched at all.
Hey, certain people got certain runs, right?
Yeah.
You ready, B. Marie? You ready? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Catch that breeze.
Y'all slow. Alright, y'all. I had to stop real quick. I'm about to start back. I had to stop. Everybody passing me.
Very high.
So I had to take this handband off, but my makeup's still lasting. I'm lost as fuck. I don't even know where I'm going. My people all the way behind. They did the 5K. I was supposed to do a 5K too, but I think I did the 10K, and I don't know where I'm at. I'm lost as fuck. Super lost. I'm trying to follow them. I'm ready to eat. I'm about to go. I don't know. I'm so scared. Y'all.
She been since that. Feel like somebody put in a sack.
Yeah, I finished the 10K. Everybody did the 5K. I was supposed to do the 5. Hold on, listen.
I got nothing to say. This girl, B. Marie, did 10K, which is 6 miles.
Brianna, the makeup still low.
She did.
And I'm still beat.
You see my hair?
I ain't got no more hair. I did 3 miles and I ain't got no hair. She did 6 miles and her face still beat.
Hey. Look,
And Tiny Tails did 3 miles while talking to people we didn't even know.
Ray calling me. I'm like, look, I'm looking for Brianna.
We didn't learn everything about
Don't be scared me. Did you find the girl? I'm like, no.
I knew y'all.
This girl did a 10K.
I was about to call her Uber. I was mad. 10K. I was supposed to run 5K, not 10. I'm like, out of here.
How you was gonna call us Uber? You ain't got no phone.
Girl, I was gonna run to the western end. I saw it. That's the person at the desk. Can I call my mama? Let them know that I'm waiting. I'm gonna catch an Uber. Here go my credit card number. I know that hard. Here you go.
Like, we gonna go backwards and see if we can find her.
I was like, like, that fool.
We was headed back.
Did y'all go to the car? Look at the balloons.
Yeah,
I'm like, that fool know to stand on the line and wait for everybody else. Where this fool at?
I know, but I'm like,
Your mama finna cry.
you was finna cry for me, girl. Mama said you not to cry. Somebody did took me. Yeah, they do though.
Yeah, because it's nighttime.
We about to put this in 4x4 and run all over.
Oh, girl, I didn't know this was open.
You didn't tell us. They must got both of them open. Half a mile. No, they must got both of them open. We did fine. This fool wanna go the wrong way and did
She didn't make that U-turn.
Yeah, I did.
That place where it would face say 5K.
You didn't look at her head. No, I didn't. Her hand was gone too. So both of her feet, she had one hand, but one hand was gone.
See that?
She got on video.
Oh, this is wrong. Like turf. Yeah, this is gonna be there. Is it no.
Y'all, we alright, y'all, so I just got the shower. I took my lashes off. I had to. I'm about to end this vlog. Give me some rest. Go to sleep. I hope that y'all enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, y'all. Comment down all this noise in the background. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.